Hey guys, welcome to DelfStack. This is how to fix ERR address unreachable loading router settings page IP address in Google Chrome. So, if you ever have this issue, what you could try to do is just simply open up your Chrome, and then over here, you could just simply open up another tab, and you could just simply search for Chrome // net internals / number icon DNS. Now it will look something like this. Now you can just simply click on this one, clear host cache, and mostly guys, this can fix the issue. And now if it still doesn't work out, you can just simply go ahead and open up a start menu and search for CMD, and here you will have command prompt. And now from here, you can just simply go ahead and type in ipconfig /flush DNS. So from here, just simply tap on enter to do this process. And from here, guys, you have successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. And from here, this can fix your issue. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.